Hello everyone, this is Sammy from Blue Rain Pieces, and I am here to make an earring. I started this one the other day, and some of these beads are from, these two beads are from Jessie James collection, Let's Be Mermaids, and then we're just going to use a couple other pieces to put this easy earring together. We're just going to need a couple tools, chain nose pliers, needle nose pliers, bail, and some wire cutters. My small ones are somewhere, who knows. And for this one we're going to use some silver 22 gauge wire. I'm going to use this bead right here. So let's see, gonna need this one, this piece, just some easy earrings to put together to wear in a flash. This is from the Jessie James bead collection. Let's see, my bead. I believe I got these from, I want to say, sorry, I got my needle, I'm doing another earring on the side, I got my needle hooked in. Golden Age bead, I believe. It's a pretty cool color. So, first of all, what we're going to do is make our little, let's do this one. This faucet bead, this pink one. We're gonna put a wire, we're gonna wire wrap that one real quick. We're just going to cut some wire off of here. You don't need it to be this long. I'm being extra right now. I'm actually gonna cut it down a little bit more. So we're just going to make a loop, and I have to remember to be in the camera because I'm always all the way over here. So let's make a loop and wrap it down. There's our loop. And the 22 gauge is pretty thin, so it's pretty easy to wrap. You can wrap it with your hand or an extra pair of pliers. It's really up to you. We're just going to squeeze down on it together. So I'm going to cut this wire off in a minute. Actually, I'm going to leave it because I want to wrap down on top of the bead a little bit. So we're going to make a loop on this side. There's the loop. And I see how our loop is bent a little bit. All we're going to do is bend it back the opposite way. And wrap it down. We're going to wrap it right down on top to cover up the bead hole that's in there. You can do it neat or messy. It's really up to you. And we're going to cut this off. You don't have to wrap it down on top like that. You can put a bead cap on there if you wish. I'm just choosing not to. And then we're going to tuck it so it's not scraping anything. Just tuck it neat. We're going to do the same with this side. And wrap it down just like the other side. And tuck. That's our bead. I'm going to come in just a little closer. Like so. So next we're going to do this one. And we're just going to use this wire. And what we're going to do with this one, and actually I believe that is a head pin. So we're going to take our head pins. I forgot to add that in there. And we're just going to put it through the hole and make a loop and do a wrap down on top of it. That's all we're going to do. This one we're going to hold and wrap down. And we're just going to cut that off the top. And actually I'm going to cut it off and redo it because I need to hook it onto my bead first, and I didn't do that. And this is what happens when you just excitedly making. And yes, I could have used the hook piece, but I wanted to match the other side, so I left that one on that side, on the bottom. So let's try it again. That's our loop. And we're going to hook on our bead. Just deciding which side I want to be the top. And that's going to be the bottom. And this wire is also not as hard. I believe it's a 20 gauge or 22 gauge. And we're just going to cut it off. And that piece of wire just went flying. And we're just going to crush push it in so it's not scraping on any of your clothes. So from here, all we're doing is adding on our piece. So we're going to put a jump ring in between there. So we're just going to open up the jump ring that's already on this piece. I think I got these pieces from Michael's. I believe I did. I'm just looking for the opening. And we're just going to open. I'm going to take this paper off my pliers because it's driving me insane. And we're going to hook that in. And really all we're doing is hooking on the top piece to the cage. This is the cage bead. So we're just going to open up the top piece to this, like so. And you could add another jump ring if you want, but I just want to hook straight to it. And I'm going to try to put it on the side where it's even. So we're just going to close that. Like so. And basically your earring is really already done. Now you can choose to wear this earring two different ways. You can do it the way I have it, which is the long way with the cage bead on top. Or you can take the ear wire and you can hook it into here in a jump ring if you like and wear it this way. So either way, it's a nice earring. So you can do it either way you would like to do it. I just chose to put the ear wire on top. So to make our ear wire, all we're going to do is take one of these head pins I got these head pins from Bargain Bee Box, I believe. And we're going to take our baler. And we're going to, I believe I used this one on the bottom. So we're going to face it, we're going to face this pin, the opening is here, away from the way you're going to bend it. So we're going to put it in here, and you're just going to bend it all the way around. Like so. And then we're just going to take it and put it in between and put just a little bend on it so it won't come off your ear so easily. Just a little bend in it like so. Told you, easy pair of earrings. We're just going to open. And I'm going to put it on a jump ring actually. So let's close this back up. Let's find us a jump ring to put it on. So, sorry. I thought I put a jump ring out, but I did not. I have thicker ones and I have smaller ones, and I'm just making sure I got the same one. So we're going to take this jump ring, which says opening on it, already open jump ring. And we're going to open. We're going to add in our KHB, and we're going to add on our ear wire. And then we're just going to close. And that's it. That's your earring. That is your earring, and like I said before, you can wear it either way. And what you would do is you would just take a pair of pliers, unhook the jump ring, take the jump ring and the ear wire and put it on the other opposite side, and then you still have an earring. So you can wear it two different ways. It's up to you. So there is our beautiful pair of earrings. And again, they're made with a couple of Jesse James beads. And other findings, that's all. There you are. Easy earrings, quick and easy. And thank you for watching. I'll be back to make probably a couple more, maybe a bracelet. Thank you.